Does your face feel puffy, heavy, or swollen when you wake up in the morning? If so, this gentle 5-minute routine can help your face feel lighter and more refreshed. All you need are your hands and a few quiet minutes. Let's get started. First, begin with a clean face. Apply a few drops of facial oil or your regular moisturizer. This gives your hands a little slip so they can glide comfortably over the skin. We'll use very light pressure today. If anything feels uncomfortable, simply soften your touch. A little slip helps the hands move smoothly without pulling the skin. We'll start at the neck. This helps guide excess fluid downward, which can help the face feel less puffy. Place both hands gently at the sides of your neck. Then slowly glide downward, toward the collarbone. Repeat this 5 times. If you're enjoying this gentle routine so far, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to Repair Our Health. It helps me continue creating gentle routines you can come back to. The neck area often holds overnight fluid and tension. Gentle movement here can help the face feel less puffy and more relaxed. Tilt your head slightly to one side. Use the opposite hand and gently glide down the side of your neck. Move slowly, and repeat 5 times. Now switch sides and repeat the movement. Now let's move to the jawline. This area often tightens from clenching, stress, or sleep position. Softening it can help the lower face look more relaxed. Place your fingertips or knuckles at the center of your chin. Slowly glide outward toward the ear. Repeat 5 times, then switch sides. Think soft lift, not pressure. Place your fingers beside your nose. Gently sweep outward and slightly upward across the cheeks. This can help reduce morning fullness in the cheeks. Many people notice their face looks more refreshed afterward. Repeat this 5 times. Here we'll focus on the under eye area. This area is delicate, so lighter is always better. Use your ring fingers. Lightly tap or glide from the inner corner toward the temple. This helps encourage fluid to move away from the eye area so it looks more refreshed and awake. Keep this feather light, barely touching the skin. Repeat 5 times. Now, place both hands at the center of your forehead. Smooth outward toward the temples. This area holds a lot of tension we don't always notice. Softening it can help the whole face feel calmer and more relaxed. Start by gliding upward toward the hairline. Finish with small, slow circles at the temples. You may notice the brow begin to soften. To finish, we'll bring everything together. Sweep gently from the face, down the sides of the neck, and toward the collarbone. Move slowly. Let each pass feel smooth and easy. Repeat this 5 times. This routine is for general beauty and relaxation purposes only. It's not medical advice. If you have ongoing swelling or health concerns, check with a healthcare professional. Thank you for taking these few minutes for yourself. I am Carolyn, and this is Repair Our Health. If this routine helped you feel a little lighter today, I'd love for you to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next video.